Hey everybody, it's Marcus from the Side Hustle site, and today I just wanted to tell you about a new tool that I found, which is really useful for print on demand. So I'm not sure, some of you may have heard of Vexels. So if you're a little bit lazy like me and you like to find new ways to expand or start in print on demand, but without having to make all the designs, then this is potentially a game changer for you. I'm going to show you now just how easy it is to make a design on Vexels, and you can use this on all the platforms. So you can use it on places like Redbubble, Etsy, Merch by Amazon, all of them. So it's a great way you could expand and create a print on demand business very quick using this service. So I'm just going to show you basically how it works. So here we are on the website. So we just go to Discover, and we're also going to go to the T-shirt maker just so I can show you how it works. So here we are on the T-shirt maker. So you can see this little welcome message. It just tells you that basically through the Vexels service you can access over 40,000 SVG graphics ready to go to put on designs. Ready-made designs as well, basically just drag and drop them onto your designs, and you can also get commercial and merch use licenses so that you can sell them in your store. So let's start creating. So I'm just going to show you basically how easy it is to make a t-shirt on here. You can literally get designs, we're talking like seconds or even just under a minute. So let's crack on. So let's click on graphics. So what's everyone been talking about at the moment? Yeah, washing your hands, social distancing, that kind of thing. Let's just put hands in here and see what comes up. There we go. So straight away we've got a ready-made design there. So let's plonk that on there. Protect yourself. Wash your hands. So that's a ready-to-go design. You can go right now. You know, if you're a customer of Vexels, you can use their graphics, and you can go and upload that to your store. You can upload it to your, the various different merch sites. So that's a ready-to-go design. Or you could, make your own using their graphics. Let's give that a try as well. So let's just delete that one. As you can see, there's some nice, lovely washing hands here. Little washing hands graphic. So let's make that a bit smaller. Help if I actually clicked on it. Let's add some text as well. So we've got these text shapes here, but I prefer these text badges where it's already pre-formatted. So that one I think looks quite well, and it looks similar to hands. So you can just basically edit the text. I think we'll change that. Wash your hands. So I think let's get this all centered. A bit smaller. Make that a bit smaller. So yeah, so that line's saying it's centered. Just make the big text a bit smaller. There you go. So that, you can play around with that a bit more, but that was super quick. Wash your hands. So we've got a unique design there. That exact design, unless somebody's just happens to have made the same one, but it's unlikely to exist anymore. That means we've made a unique design. We can now upload that to Etsy, Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, all these different places, TeePublic, straight away. So yeah, really easy. You just you can save that, you can download it, Obviously, you have to join. There is a small charge for using Vexels, but the cost is virtually nothing. You literally a couple of t-shirt sales, a couple of merch sales each month, you're almost already covering it. So, yeah, I'm really impressed. I think it could be a potential game changer. And like I say, I'm lazy. I'm quite happy to use all these ready-made graphics rather than spending ages making my own. So that's it. There you have it. Vexels. Check it out. You can find a link down for Vexels just in the description of the video. You can also find links in there to other really useful print-on-demand resources that I've created over at the Side Hustle site. Also, subscribe to the channel because it's a brand new channel, but I'm going to be making loads of videos helping you with not just print-on-demand, but loads of other methods to help you make money online. That's what we're all about over at the Side Hustle site. So I hope to see you soon.